Okay, so your goal on this last page is there's some mixed in there. Some are factorable, some are not factorable. So here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the problem and see if I can factor it first. Okay, so I see there's no GCF. I'm going to try to reverse FOIL it, do 2x and x, plus and plus, 5 and 1. 5 there and the 1 there. Let's see, 5, 6, 7. Oh, close. Nope, I got to get an 8. Well, if I switch those around, 5 over here and the 1 here, my eraser erases too much. Let's see, that'd be 10, 1 to make 11. I guess not. Guess it doesn't factor, so I guess my next option is to go with the line of symmetry. So line of symmetry, I gotta do it that way. Negative 8 over 2 times the 2 makes 4. Forgot my x equals. So negative 8 divided by 4, it should be negative 2, and go from there. So that one I'm going to have to find the long way, and then plug that in the t-chart and finish. Okay? This one, notice that this scale, you're going by 2s, so make sure you adjust your scale and adjust your ordered pairs accordingly. Let's see, can you factor this one? Well, it's got 2 terms. Ooh, I can pull out an x. So it leaves me with x minus 5. And then I'm going to set it equal to 0, so x equals 0. X equals 5. So this one's factors, so I can find my x-intercepts really easy. Halfway in between would be 2.5. So all I gotta do is take my 2.5, plug it into a t-chart, and find my vertex that way. Plug in 0, get my y-intercept, plug in one more point, and I'm good to go. So each problem is going to be a little differently based on what's given to you. Okay, look at these bottom 2 down here. Let's see if I can factor. I don't think I can factor. Well, I could pull out. I could do? I could try pulling out a negative half. I don't know if that would work at all. Because remember, when you have an equals 0, whatever you pull out just goes away, and you factor what's left over. So take 2 divided by negative half. If I do that in my calculator, 2 divided by negative 0.5, you get 4. Ooh, negative 4. That's weird. It actually, dividing by a fraction makes it go up. Just think about it. It's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So take a guess. What do you think 4 divided by negative half would be? And you're correct. It should be negative 8. Alright, so can I factor this one? Get a 4 in the middle. Let's see. So I can just cancel that out, divide it with a 0. So still has an x squared, so we're going to keep factoring x and x. 4 and 2, 8 and 1. Oh, go through all that work and I can't even factor it. Oh well. But at least I tried. So I'm going to have to find the line of symmetry way. So we're going to have to go negative b over 2 times the a. 2 times negative half would be negative 1. Yep, so I can't. So negative 2 divided by negative 1 would be positive 2. So I'll have to find it that way. No big deal. This one, if you look closely, can't GCF, but it does factor. Oh no, it doesn't either because the signs. It's got to be minus minus. So I have to do this one the long way too. But that's kind of the idea. You have to check and see if you can factor. And if you can, great. If not, oh well, move on. Do it the other way.